welcome to your reading. Let me share the information with you. You have the Six of Cups, followed by the Five of Wands and the Tower card for this week. And we've got one angel answer card. There's something better. Now, interestingly, I want to go to three cards right from the start. So the Six of Cups can talk about getting back into contact with someone or people from your past, and it can be family, friends, it could be old loves, it could be work related, so even customers or clients and people that you used to work with, maybe an old boss. So there's some sort of reconnection, whether it's through an event or a social gathering, with people that you haven't seen for quite a while. Now, for most of you, this will just be it, and that's absolutely fine, and it will be a happy, joyful reunion. But I'm getting the sense what they did is they really connected these three cards together. There's something better, the Five of Wands and the Six of Cups. Now, what I'm getting for a few of you out there is that in this rekindling, that it's not, there's going to be it's not quite as you imagined it would be, so on first glance you might think, oh, this is a wonderful thing, they're getting back together. But here with the Five of Wands or Five of Rods, you're not really meeting together, very well. There's some disagreement perhaps, or you can't understand each other, or you're not making yourself clear or understood, or they're not getting you. So there could be something about it. Now, I've got the sense that initially for some of you, you're thinking, oh, brilliant, this is like, whether it's a soul connection or a twin flame or a soulmate or a getting back together with people that you used to work with, or it could be old bands getting back together. It could be anything, but you're coming back together. And initially you're thinking, this is going to be amazing, this is going to be brilliant, and you're going to have one perception. But then it doesn't quite work out as you anticipated. So it doesn't all gel, it doesn't all come together perfectly like you thought it would, like you hoped for. This is where this card comes in. There's something better, because initially it feels like some of you are pinning a lot of hopes on this rekindling, this coming back together. And there's a lot of hopes, and the universe is almost like saying, look, that was let go of that relationship and what happened, and that belongs in the past, because you're in different places now. That's what it feels like. You're in different frequencies, you're in different energy fields, you're not the same people anymore. There's something better for you out there, okay? A better relationship, or a better partnership, or a better songwriter to hook up with, or whatever it is, this initial thing where you think, oh, brilliant, and some of you think it's the answer to your prayers. But what they're telling me is it's not going to go as smoothly as you thought it would, because you've changed so much, both of your energy has changed so much, and there is something better out there for you. There's a better person, there's a better solution out there for you. So I just needed to go there first, that they just put those three together. Other ways that we can look at this card, the Five of Wands, is that it may just be you are struggling with something internally. You're just thinking, you're beating yourself up, you're being hard on yourself, you're not seeing things clearly, you're not being kind to yourself. This can come along when people are doing that. They're really giving themselves a hard time. So be careful with that. And maybe it's because you're trying to make something work that is sort of past its sell-by date. We all evolve, we all change, we all move on, and there's nothing wrong with that. We're all connected anyway, so it doesn't matter. So yeah, it's okay to let people go, let situations go, let partnerships go, let friends go, because we change. So I feel like some of you are really beating up on yourself. Maybe you're trying to make something work, and it's not working. So this is the be go easy on yourself, be kind to yourself, be loving to yourself. The other way we can look at this is that you might feel like you're in competition with other people. But I get the sense that this isn't about other people, this is about you. So if you feel like, oh gosh, I'm having to really struggle to get anywhere, to get, I don't know, the money or the recognition or the clients or whatever it is you're struggling for, this can be a struggle card. You're thinking, other people are okay and I'm not, but it's not. It's about focusing on you and ignoring everyone else. Really, it is, because it comes from inside. It's okay to gather inspiration, but once you've done that, forget everyone else and just focus on you, your innate talents, your gifts, what you can give to the world, and just, roll with that. And then this is all about a big transformation for you. So I'm sure you know what this is to do with, whether it's a change in your lifestyle, your work situation, a relationship. This is big life transformation. Now, the only people that struggle with this Tower card are the people that are hanging on for dear life to the old. It's comfortable. I'm in my comfort zone. I don't want to change. Sometimes we know we have to and it would be a good thing, but the whole process of change is just like, oh, I don't want to do it. So this is a message to, look, this is happening anyway. This change is happening. And it feels like for many of you, you can't stop it. It's gaining momentum. We've had those messages, haven't we, recently? So this is a let go, surrender. Allow the things to be taken from your life that need to be taken for your life, because all the time your life is completely full. You have no space, no room, no energetic space for new things to come in. All the things that you want, like the new relationships, the new work, the new opportunities, the new business, the new money, abundance. It can't if it is filled with your old beliefs, your old negative thoughts and patterns. So the Tower says what we have to do, we have to clear that out of the way. We have to dismantle the old constructs, narratives, lives, lifestyle choices. We have to dismantle them, sweep them away, take them away, and then we can build fresh and anew and different and in line with who you truly are. But until the old is swept away, you can't do it. Now, the picture in this, I'm not really a fan of the picture of this particular card, but there's another deck that I use quite a lot, and it's beautiful, the Tower, because what it has at the top, you can see it here. You've got the crown, which signifies victory, that ultimately, once you allow these things to be taken away, once you remove these things for your life, and then you can build afresh, you will be victorious, you will be successful. But in the other one, here we've got fire. The other one is loads of light coming out of this tower, and it's as though the tower has been holding in the light, suppressing the light, keeping the light down, dumbing it down. And it's like, no, I'm just bursting this light inside of me, who I truly am, my gifts, my innate talents are dying to just burst out of me. And this is the Tower card. And the universe goes, all right, that's brilliant. I can see your light. But first we need to take away this old coat of yours, this old construction of yours, because you don't need it anymore. Where you're going, you don't need it. And then when we take that away, your light can shine. So that's what the Tower card is all about. It's about shining your light. Okay, I hope it's a really good time for you. Thank you so much for watching.